Welcome back to Will You Be My Psychologist? Now, it's been a little while, but I wanted to see what new technologies are out there and how we have improved this theoretical large language model psychologist. And the thing you'll see here straight away that has been added is a 3D lip synced model. So this, as you can see, it just looks around, and this is based on the talking head, 3D talking head, which I'll link in the description to GitHub. But essentially, it is lip synced to the audio output, which is kind of cool. And then the back end is actually the same. We obviously have Gemma 4 E4B now available. So just to show you an example, I'm going to say you are a psychologist. Responses only, and then I'm going to go into start talking, and then going to go into focus. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Mindful focus requires presence. Ground yourself with slow breaths. Acknowledge your thoughts, but gently redirect your attention back to the task at hand for sustained clarity.
I need some help this week.
I am here to listen. To best assist you, could you tell me what kinds of challenges or concerns are weighing on your mind right now?
I've just been feeling really sad recently.
I hear you. It takes strength to acknowledge those feelings. Would you be willing to share more about when this started or what might have triggered it? Remember that your emotions are valid. I am here to listen without judgment.
I don't actually know. It's just at work I feel that my boss isn't listening to me.
Feeling unheard in the workplace is deeply stressful. Try to document specific examples of when your concerns were dismissed. This clear evidence can help you decide whether to escalate or adjust your approach.
Alright, and so I'll pause that there so it's not still listening to me. So as we can see there, so that's the mode without memory. So really that's just acknowledging everything. If we scroll down here, we can see it's really just responding to every statement that it's giving. I tried some different memory system prompts, tried changing it to using JSON, and so we can set that to actually be Gemma 4, but obviously this introduces a fair amount of a delay, but I'll show you what that looks like here. My boss, Greg, has been asking for what I'd consider to be unrealistic expectations about how fast I can get the project done.
Acknowledge the stress this disparity causes. Schedule a focused discussion with Greg. Instead of disputing deadlines, present realistic timelines based on scope and resources, asking him to prioritize expectations. This shifts the conversation from your failure to project planning.
Alright, so I've just paused the voice, and then we can see down here, it's going to process the memory. It's still actually processing the memory in the background, if it's working, which I think it is. And then in a minute, once it pops up, it'll give us the current memory context. There we go. So we've got the attributes being Greg. Greg is my boss. It's given us facts, relationships from I to Greg. And yeah, so that works there. And so then I could go up here and say, do you remember what my boss's name is? And then it might take a moment while it thinks
Yes,
about it.
I remember. Your boss's name is Greg.
Cool. Yeah, so that shows that memory works, but yes, obviously there's quite a large delay, which, is not really realistic in a real world scenario for if someone actually wanted to use this. And yes, we still have all the limitations in that this is a very small model, and so the longer that the memory gets, the longer it takes. I'm running this on a Apple M4 Max, which certainly helps with speed. If we move the processing models onto the cloud, for example using Llama cloud models, then it is quicker again, but obviously that takes away some of the privacy that often someone seeks when they're speaking with a psychologist. So it's just another test to show that we are not there yet, but we are seeing some progress to what the future could look like talking to a virtual psychologist.